this video, we are going to be taking the Nissan Gtr R32 with our 100 grand that we made from our first video and putting it into this Nissan Gtr R32. I am going to buy this one. 31K, buy. I wasn't going to do a battle. Let's run a battle, see how it goes. This guy's got a modded out car. All right, I need to really swing. All right. I pulled e-brake on that. I normally don't pull e-brake. But then again, I also usually have my FC that runs like probably double, if not almost triple the horsepower of this car. Hey, 95 ain't bad for a stock GTR. Best car, according to Whistle and Diesel. Oh no, he is definitely gaining on me. Oh my gosh. No, what the You can't win with this car, it sucks. I'm gonna fix up the car for $100 and then let's just look through the customization on this. First, let's go with the main things like front bumper. So we got the wide body. It looks like if you want the wide body front bumper. Okay, yeah, so you can do like the wide body, then you can buy the rear mount side skirts or the rear side skirt. I can't even. Oh, it's just like that. All right, cool. We're already down to 68K. It kind of makes me a little nervous. Let's put our Ganadors on. Let's put new tire setup. Put these all the way out. Front camber a little bit. Let's look at our tow hooks. I'm gonna go with the red tow hook. I'm assuming that it's like the turbo, right? Yeah. So we're running that. Oh my gosh, 2 grand for that?
Shut your ass up.
This purple's really sick as well. I'm gonna go with this purple. Right now we are running 200 horsepower. Run the turbo kit, it's 4 grand. The upgrade turbo kit will upgrade the turbo 1, 2, 3 times. We'll upgrade the intercooler twice. And then the engine swap. Can I upgrade the engine? Okay, I still can upgrade the engine. We'll upgrade this twice. All right, so now all we have to really do is customize the wheels. I'm thinking the white, honestly. Black is so fire, dude. I'm going with the black wheels. I think it looks 10 times more aggressive. And because we went with a little bit, I have to adjust this. Oh my gosh. Tell me that this car doesn't look insane. Oh my gosh, dude. This car looks cracked. This car looks cracked. I had to stand up. I'm gonna go for a big outswing. Yeah. All right, we're gonna hit those outer zones. Click on that outer zone. So this car doesn't make as much horsepower as the FC does, but it still makes good power. I think we're at like 380 to 400. We get 101. Missile King? Come on, man.
That's what I was saying.
Okay. Oh no. I gotta get on your door. Gotta get on your door. Gotta get on your door. Oh, dude, he's kinda. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, he created a little bit of separation at the end, but I think we still won. Yes, 86, there's no way we lost. Hey! First up with the GTR! So I dumped over $104,000 into this GTR R32. If we don't win this battle... Hey! Come on, man. We're hitting every clipping zone on this run. Oh no, I might have just jinxed my... No! We hit the wall! The same guy? Come on. Come on. Now I'm actually gonna hit every clipping zone. Come on. Yes. 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 Let's go. Okay. We missed one clipping zone, but that's okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. No. Yes. Yes. That is some insane. There was a little bit of separation, but we get the 94. Come on, that's a 200 run. Let's go! 200 run! Higher bank account. But I guess that sometimes in life, that's just what cars do. All right, let's run it back. We're still going. We're still going. Hey. Okay, hopefully that's a hundo. Hey, 102 via 65. Okay, I'm staying a little bit behind. I don't want to get caught overtaking them. This is too far behind though. I guess they just really go on that outer edge. I got +3 for something. I'm kind of... Oh, yes. Slam on the door for the last. Okay. That was okay. They're going to give me a 74 for that. And we get the dub. Not the best run. We got to do one more on the old track. Hey. Clipping zone. Every clipping zone. We're hitting all of them. Swing. Good stuff. Swing again. Good stuff. Come on, hit that. Yes! Let's go! That's at least gotta be 112. Come on. This could be us. Alright. Come on. Good chase. Come on, we just need a good chase. We just need a good chase. Swing it. Hey. Oh, come on. Hey, we're on his door. We're on him. We need a little bit closer. Hey! That was an amazing chase. 90! Let's go! 200! Again! Let's go! Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Peace!